Hi, my name is Joyce Waddington. I'm a registered nurse. I worked at the VA Medical Center in North Chicago for 30 years. I've been retired now for 6 years. I'm the president of the Racine, Kenosha, Wisconsin chapter of the National Black Nurses Association. Some of the things that we've done, especially during the pandemic, is we went out into the community and educated our people in the community about the importance of COVID and the importance of taking the COVID vaccination. We went into some of the underserved neighborhoods. We listened to the people talk. Some of them gave us some interesting stories as to why they were not going to take the shot, based on conspiracies, past histories, etc., etc. I focus a lot on basketball players at the Dr. John Bryant Center because I was told that was a rough crowd to go into and try to get them to get immunized. They knew my name. I finally knew their names. And when they saw me coming, they'd say, "Haven't made up my mind yet, Ms. Joyce, but we'll see." We went to a lot of fairs. We went to the library where we talked to people. We did not give the injections. We were the people on the grounds getting the people to understand the importance of getting the COVID vaccination. I had my vaccination. My husband had his. We were boosted and everything else. But in the month of May, my husband was diagnosed with COVID. And me as the nurse, I'm cleaning everything up, getting everything washed down, making sure that, he stays in his room. And then I tested positive for COVID. It was shocking. And it's like everything that we had talked about and to people in the community all came back to us. We were educated, we knew what we were supposed to do and everything else. And we still got COVID. But we were very blessed because we had got the injection. And both of us were saying, wow, I'm really glad we got that shot. Because if we hadn't got that shot, I have to tell you, from my point of view, Jerry, my husband, I knew he would have went on an event because he had a past history of COPD. 3 days, I was sick as I had ever been in my entire life. I was very sick. If we had not had those vaccines, we would not be here, and I would not be here telling this story today. It's very, very hard to maintain good health. I myself, I'm a diabetic, and I also have a tendency, because I'm a diabetic, to have chronic kidney disease. So we're constantly fighting as to, what to eat, how to prepare things differently. And I tell everybody, I have my days where I have my ice cream and my Pepsi, and I know I shouldn't, but I do. One of the things I do for myself is I keep a schedule of everything I eat. And then when I have to go and do my blood sugar, and if my blood sugar is elevated, I know why it's elevated. After that, next week, I get myself back to where I need to be. But it's hard, it's challenging, but we can do it. Thank you. Stay healthy, stay safe.